how to delete Temu App Data. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you go ahead and open the Temu application and then go to settings, then you will not be able to see the option to delete data anywhere. So, go ahead and open settings on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and find the Temu application and tap on it. Now, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the Temu app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application, and doing this will also free up storage used by the app. And if not, you can also simply uninstall the application and then reinstall Temu from your app store again. So this is how you can delete Temu app data. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.